Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Henne kasngi ka arp South rek unai lor arja khatpra. Hadien ki arp South li ki weipat ke jela jongkari India. Ki belaya cacat hakab aya ketika banyada na ujing pang yang persen ne kata ke measles rubella vaccination. Hakani ke jela Meghalaya ro lasdang yakni ketika hakaleng ke district. Ha East Castles district ro yakni ke jing atika measles rubella vaccination kalaya cacat. Ya ke bala sakhiro ha bon tuli ke skol ki ba hakani ke nomba Shillong. Shibenta ke jing peteng ke jing Ïawer bat ban penchlore ki Kmie ki kpa ban amdan ke jing sngo artatien halor kani ketika. Henne kasngi nakaleng ke District Maternal and Child Health Officer jong ke East Castles District I Dr. JB Rani ringkat ki wedi ki officer na ke office jong ke District Medical and Health Officer East Castles kilai kendo kerpang ro ye kinong patai khobor Shillong Press Club ban pha ye ke khobor se ki pai ba halor kani ke jing aitika nakaleng kini ke Dkhot jong ke Tnad ke Koit ke Khiah batang na ke East Castles District kiladan kumba saulak ngot ki khlung khna ki bah pedeng karta nadu khandai bnai hadu katsan snem karta bat ka thong hi kalong ban pendap ye ke jing aitika komno khandai pho san na ka sispa na kini baro la ongru bayaman tahi kumba shitia oi yakani ketika na ashwa lengba ki skol hadien kani on select pat shekishnong ki thau nang ta ha ki jaka sumar jong ko sarkar kan thop ye ki hospital bat ha ki anganwadi center bat yakini ketika la ai tang de ki breu jong ko Tnad ko Koit ka Khiah ki balayo ru ye ke jing pentebet ke bakarpang halor kani ka kam na pedeng baro ki bladan ha ka jing khen lese kan sadan ka jing sa teng ha ka ba ai kini ketika sheki khlong khna na markin sadan ro na pedeng jongki ki bamdan ha pedeng ka met ka Koit ba Khiah komta ye kom kini ki khna ha bon bot teng bat ha ka wei pa kasngi ban ai kini ketika
MR campaign will replace the measles vaccines with the MR. MR means measles rubella campaign, measles rubella vaccine. Okay. So at present till date, before this we are giving measles only at the age of 9 months and 18 months. So after we have finished the campaign, the measles rubella, that is the MR, will replace the measles. That is what we are trying to tell you. Then we have two types of sessions during this campaign. One is the school sessions and another one is the outreach session.
Sorry, outreach
session. So the outreach session, it is usually in the community hall or it is in the Anganwadi centers, where we aim to immunize those children who are less aged than the school-going children, and also those who are not going to school. So those are the areas where we will look for those type of children. But we have, in East Castles district, we have quite a number of schools. The schools is more than 2,191. So the number of students, school-going children are more than 80 to 85%, so to see. So the target is more in school. That's why the schools, we have, during the last few days, we had the parents-teacher meeting. We had had the training of the principals, the nodal teachers, and also the school-going children, as well as the parents-teacher meeting, because we know that the parents will, until and unless they are very clear about this campaign, then they will come forward and support us. This campaign aims at achievements of more than 95%. Once we have achieved that, then we will understand that there is a population immunity in that particular group. So this population immunity, it is very important for us to achieve 95% and above. We have numerous states who have finished this measles rubella campaign, and those states, they have covered more than 95, some of them they have covered 97, and most of them they have covered more than 100%. So we hope that the parents will understand this carefully, because it is not an individual, it is not for the individual immunity. It aims at coverage, it aims at bringing the that the immunity of the children, it aims at elimination. So we hope that everyone will come forward and give us support in this, so that we hope that the country, the state, as well as the district will have this goal of eliminating the measles, as well as we will be able to control rubella or the congenital rubella syndrome.